Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your wonderful Wednesday map discussion. It's currently 28 degrees. It was cold last night. I was outside. Ooh, that radiational cooling when the sky is clear and there's just stars in the sky. So today, clouds build a little bit in the afternoon, but generally a really nice day ahead. Possible rain showers Thursday and Friday. And then the weekend looks really nice, but kind of cool. But then temperatures start to build up 54, 57, 64 possible by next week. It's a little bit more active than the previous maps. We have some red flag warnings out here in the eastern part of New Mexico, Colorado's, and western Texas. We have some winter winter warnings and advisories out here by the Colorado Rockies, and then we have our atypical warnings and advisories out there by the Sierra Nevadas. But if you really look at it, east of here is really just barren. There is no issues per se. Here's a look at today. Partly cloudy with temperatures around seasonal norms, quiet through Thursday morning. Next chance for rain comes Thursday evening. Temperatures 46, 45, 42 around the state and the rest of the region. Quick look at things, like I said, except for our next chance of rain is Thursday. You can see, and we're right around here. You know where our geography is. Little bit of cold air seeping down, but that's going to be mostly a northern New England issue with some snow. Then once that passes, sort of clear. High pressure builds off the Atlantic. Another rain system, and then this looks like a bigger system for the 29th. Some some models have had maybe a low spinning off the coast, and well, whatever. But this is mostly going to be a rain to cold rain situation. So I'm not exactly concerned about a mammoth snowstorm right now. And then, as we go, goes through early March. You can see there's a big coastal system off here, but I wouldn't worry about that either because it would be mostly rain, if anything. And then that's how it looks through March 8th. Here's a 500 millibar look at our troughs and our ridges, and just to kind of quickly go through the pattern for the next few weeks. Everybody's clamoring that maybe there's more snow in the forecast. That's a possibility. Everybody's saying that winter doesn't officially end until March 21st, 22nd. Okay, that's astronomical winter. Meteorological winter ends on March 1st. These are some of the comments that are being left for me that since I guess I don't know when winter ends or winter begins. Okay, so sorry, a little rant there. So here we go through the next few weeks, and we have a lot of regime building up in most of the nation, and that means mostly warmer weather. And this is through the 29th when that bigger system comes in. So it's going to be hard for a snowstorm to build up in the region. And then we have some troughing coming back, some cold coming back into the picture, but we also have a trough out west and trough here in the Atlantic. So really, folks, I mean, there's really not a lot of cold. You can tell that the cold air is really just locked up in Canada. Even this little bit of escape of cold air seeps back into Canada, and then more ridging, more heights, and it is just the way it is. A lot of people are trying to find the little needle in the haystack, and that's fine. But I just go by what I see, and it doesn't look very good for continued cold and snow. And then we're fighting climatology in March. Speaking of which, here are some rankings by year. Um, so far, this winter is 99th on the charts at 10.9. You can obviously last year's 1.1. So we exceeded. We're plus 9.8 higher than last year. I think that's pretty decent of a winter. Um, Here we go. We go down chart here. We could see, pretty much after the 2020s have not been filled with a lot of snow. But prior to that, look at 2013 through 19. Look at this stretch. I mean, this was a pretty decent stretch. Uh, Average, seasonal average, below average, seasonal average, below, a little bit below average. So between 2013 and 2019, we had only two winters where we were below average. And then if you kind of block off another X amount of years, um, let's see, if you block off, let's go 2009 through, okay, so 2009 up to the point where I just had it. Okay, so beyond seasonal average, seasonal average. We had not a good 2012. Seasonal average, seasonal average, seasonal average, seasonal average. A little bit below. Seasonal average. A little bit below. Way below. 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 Way below. It looks like we're going to be way below here. Okay. So in this time period, in the last, 15 years, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those winters be seasonal, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 non-seasonable. So we're +2 with above average snow years in the last 15 years. That's not a terrible run there, but we do get snow here in Delaware. It's just not abundant. All right, that's it for me. Enjoy your Wednesday. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.